in the Valley. I'm Allison Baugh, and today I'm gonna bring something easy, simple, but oh so delicious that's a staple in Southern households. Shrimp and grits, that's right. I get a lot of requests. People always say you don't do a lot of breakfast. You can have shrimp and grits for breakfast. It can be dinner, whenever you like. But let me show you how I do a simple, tasty version with a little bit of bacon. All right, so let's get started. All right, first things first, we gotta season our shrimp. So this is about 2 pounds of shrimp, nothing more than that. As much as, you add as how many people you have coming over to grub at your house, okay? And then I'm gonna use my essence. You guys all know my essence if you follow me here at Allie in the Valley, which is paprika, salt, Cajun spices, garlic, everything you can think of. The recipe is on my blog. Or if you don't want to make essence, you could just do paprika, you could just do salt and pepper, whatever you like. I'm gonna season it. And really to give it the Southern flavor, I am gonna cook some bacon first, and then I'm gonna cook the shrimp in the bacon grease. That's right, bacon grease. Yep, every now and then you gotta have a little bacon, a little pork. If you don't want pork, don't put pork in it. Okay, so I'm gonna season this, and then we're gonna go over to my cast iron skillet. We are going to cook some bacon up, 4 or 5 pieces of bacon, get the grease, and then cook the shrimp. We're gonna get the grits started, and it's simple as that. This is a great, easy dish that everybody should know how to cook. And like I said, it's great for breakfast, and it's great for dinner. All right, so first things first, let's get our bacon cooking. So I just have boiling water for the grits right here. I'll pour the grits in a minute. And I'm gonna get the bacon rendering here, getting all the bacon fat. So let me get the bacon. So I cut up the bacon in tiny strips. And this is to kind of give it that Southern flavor. This is just about 4 or 5 strips of bacon cut up, roughly cut up. All right, so we're just gonna cook the bacon on high, get it all crispy. Then I'm gonna take the bacon out, and I'm gonna take the seasoned shrimp and cook it in the skillet. And while I'm getting my grits going, this is probably tops a 15-20 minute meal. Once you have the grits cooked, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna make cheese grits, so, this is not diet food. This is Sunday yummy food. All right, let's let this cook. All right, yep, the water. This is, I put 4 cups of water, 2 cups of grits. It's always, those are the measurements. If you had 2 cups of water, then it's 1 cup of grits. Most people know that, okay? So I'm not teaching you anything rocket scientist, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna cover the grits, like 10 minutes. All right, so the bacon is rendered. So make sure you stay clear of bacon so it doesn't pop you in your face. You know how that is. I'm gonna remove the bacon right now because I'm gonna put the shrimp in the bacon juice and oil and grease. And that's what it makes really yummy. So yeah, I did say Southern style shrimp and grits. So we gotta get it greasy and yummy. Okay, hold on. Let's get all this bacon out. I actually turned down the fire a little bit so it wouldn't pop me in my face. Nobody wants to be popped in their face cooking, but it happens to the best of us. All right. Now I'm gonna add the shrimp, and be careful because the shrimp has water. All right, let's do this. Let's cook this shrimp, baby. Now this is gonna cook for about 5 minutes total for everything. I'm gonna add a little butter. All right, let's put a little lemon in this beautiful shrimp dish. And I'm putting my hand over it to catch the seeds just because I don't have my squeezer. See, I'm catching the seeds. So, oh, there goes a seed. It's okay. All right, the lemon. Let's mix it up a little bit. Smell TV, coming to you soon. Okay. for a few more minutes. Let's see what's going on with these grits. Ah, they're almost ready too. This is a really quick, easy, actually this is a great date night recipe too, because guys and girls, everybody loves shrimp, everybody loves bacon. Well, maybe not everyone, but you don't have to put the bacon in. You can just do like shrimp with my Cajun seasoning and grits with some butter and a little love, and you're winning, okay? A little cheese, or no cheese, depending on you. I'm gonna put cheese in my grits, but super easy to do, super quick, great for breakfast, great for dinner, great for date night. A win-win on everything. All right, these shrimps are almost done. These shrimps are almost done. Okay. You can turn them a little bit. All right, let me check the grits again. Let's make them yummy. I caught the grits just in time. Let's add a little milk to the grits. I would say, I don't know, tablespoon. Let's add butter, 2 tablespoons of butter. And you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna put some garlic in them because we want them to be tasting yummy. It's kind of a, you know, a really decadent kind of dish. So we need lots of garlic. Those were about 4 garlics cut up. If you don't like garlic, do 2. And then I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. You can do Parmesan cheese, any kind of cheese you have. So just to make them like cheesy grits. And if they start getting too thick, you always add more milk. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. My shrimps are done. I'm gonna turn them off and now just finish up the grits. Once I finish the grits, we're ready to eat. Just season up a little bit. Some salt and pepper on the grits. Okay, so now the grits are done, the shrimp's done. We're gonna take it over and plate it with a little bacon, put a little cute plate together and show you how it all comes together. But I'm super excited about shrimp and grits and they have me sweating, so I'm ready to eat. Let's go. Okay, so my shrimp and grits and bacon topping are ready and done. And I'm super excited because I'm ready to throw down. Now, I might put a little hot sauce on it. So cheers to shrimp and grits, Southern shrimp and grits. Just put a little bit of grits in the bowl and some shrimp on top, as much as you want. You gotta get all the yummy Cajun juices. That's the good part, yum. Okay, I'm gonna put more shrimp in there because I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. And then I'm just gonna take bacon and I'm just going to sprinkle it with pieces of bacon. Yep. Yummy, delicious bacon. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of parsley that I cut up. And that's as easy as shrimp and grits for weeknight, Sunday, date night, I don't know, whatever you like. You know where to get the recipe, let's try it. Okay, I love bacon. I don't know about everybody else. I love me some bacon. If you're vegan, don't put bacon in it. Or if you don't eat bacon, don't put bacon in it. Okay. This is the bomb. I'm gonna just tell you right now, so good. And the bacon, the crunchiness, perfect. Seasoning perfect. Grits are so smooth. You know where to get the recipe. AllieInTheValley.com. Please, if you liked the video, hit the like button. Follow me on my socials. I'll see you on the next Allie in the Valley. Good.